I am SRG Kumar from Tagore Engineering College. Now I am going to explain my project on automated weather classification using transfer function. Let me introduce my teammates Sai Gokul, Yuvraj, Surya, and it's myself Ajay. Introduction. The automated weather classification using the transfer function learning is an innovative approach to accurately categorize and analyze the weather conditions based on the data obtained from the various sources. Transfer learning refers to the practice of levelizing the knowledge gained from one task to improve the performance of a relative task. In the context of weather classification, transfer learning allows us to utilize the pre-trained models developed for the other image recognition tasks, adapt them to effectively classify the weather pattern.
Identification and proposed solution. Empathy map. An empathy map is tool used to understand the empathy with the specific user customer segment. It is helpful to gain deeper ingredient into their thoughts, feeling, behavior, and need. By creating empathy map, you can develop a better understanding of your target audience, embedding you to a design product, service, and experience that meet the expectation and there is. Brainstorming is a creative problem solving technique used to the generation large number of ideas or solution to the specific problem or questions. It is a typically conduct in a group setting, although in the can be also done identically. Problem statement. A problem statement is a clear and connect description of a issue or challenge that need to be addressed. It serves as a functional from solving and dismarking processes. By defining to the problem is scope and its impact, you will define the problem statement help to the focus effort and resources toward finding effective solution. Problem statement. I am customer, I am trying to, but because which is makes feel. Problem statement 1. Fisherman to catch the fish can't able to seal the boat. We either
Proposed solution. When it comes to proposing a solution, it refers to a presenting an idea, strategy, or a plan to address a particular problem or meet a specific need. The proposed solution aims to provide a effective approach to resolving the challenges at hand. Parameters and descriptions. Parameter problem statement. Descriptions. Limited represent the area of a 3.3 to 5 kilometers of sensor site. Long range forecasting can be 100% accurate in prediction. Parameter number 2. Idea or solution descriptions. Description. Improving extreme rainfall forecasts in the medium range prediction. Novelty and uniqueness. The weather phenomena images are initially to 224 into 224. The next mean values were subtracted, which were calculated from each weather phenomenon images will be proceed. Social impact or customer satisfaction. The frequency and the severity of extreme weather events such as flooding, storms, and heat waves are increasing as a result of climate change. There is a need for information to better understand when or where and how these events are impacting people. Business model. User is imported to the prediction. The system model to evaluated the input by the DL algorithm by the test data, and the output is predicted by the image processing.
refer to the process designing and defining the overall structure, component and interconnection of the software to technology solution address specific problem, meet set the requirement, functional requirement. Following rather non-functional requirement. Following rather functional requirement, software proposal solution. NFR1 usability description. Weather forecasting is the crucial science to the help to determine future climate change. Security. Stay indoor and move the shutter. Yes. Reliability. A 7 day of forecast can be actually predict the weather about 18% of the time. Performance. A performance forecasting is a essential service to the support decision taking the concept decision and the operation.
I'm going to explain about coding and solutions. Automated weather classification using transfer learning involves extracting relevant features from a weather image and distinguish different weather conditions. Where here are some common features that can be useful for weather classifications. This is the program of automated weather classification using transfer learning. Uh, and this code was in the format of HTML program format. Using the Visual Studio codes, we debugged our debugged output was given below. Uh,
Advantages: improved classification accuracy, transfer learning averages pre trained models that are trained on a large scale data sets, allowing the weather classification systems to benefit from their learned representations. This leads to the improved classification accuracy as the model has already learned the general image features that are applicable to the weather classification tasks. Next goes to disadvantages. Overfitting to the pre-trained models. Transfer learning yields to the pre-trained models that have been trained on diverse datasets with different distributions. If the pre-trained model's knowledge does not align with the well-target weather classification task, it can lead to overflowing and reduced performance. Carefully selection and adaptation of the pre-trained model are necessary to avoid this issue. Limited to new weather patterns. Transfer learning relies on the assumption that our target weather classification task shares similarities with the pre-trained task. However, if there are a new or unseen weather patterns. Conclusion: automated weather classification using transfer learning holds a great promise for accurately and effectively categorizing the weather conditions from images by leveraging the pre-trained models and transferring the knowledge from large-scale data sets. This approach enables improved classification accuracy, reduced training time, and enhanced the generalization capabilities.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment.